Okay, so your name is what? Kevin Hamilton. And you are Miss? Leandra. And you know who I am, right? My name is Tomer Jury.
Yeah.
Tomer Jury. Okay. So I have signs here, no trespassing, private property. There's no warrant for my arrest, right?
Zero.
Okay. And there's no reason for detainment, right?
I'm not detaining you at all.
Okay. So do I need to legally speak to you?
No.
Okay. Then before I ask you politely to leave, okay, you are here because you're concerned about my mental health.
Yep.
Okay. Let me explain to you, my mental health is perfectly fine. What would give you the reasoning to think that my mental health isn't okay?
I don't have the...
May I approach you to talk to you? Okay, I have no weapons on me. I'm just showing you that, and I'm wearing pants that I can't pull anything out, and there's a zipper here. I don't want you to attack me for no reason, okay?
Not at all.
Okay, so there's no warrant for my arrest. There's no reason for you to be here other than what accusation or concern?
It's a concern for you. I apologize because I was driving around and I don't have the exact information in my head, but it was concern just for your mental well-being.
And who gave you that? I respect that you're trying to do your job, which is violating my rights as a Canadian.
If you would like me to leave...
Well, no, before I ask you to leave, I just want to know who gave you the reasoning to think that something was wrong with me.
I can't remember.
You can't, wait, sir.
I think it was just...
What's your badge number, sir?
52703.
And yours is?
I don't have a badge.
You don't have...
As I said before,
Okay.
she's a mental health person.
Okay, well,
Right?
I'm not going through any mental situation.
Perfect.
Are you familiar with the file that happened here?
No.
Okay, so you have no reason, you didn't research the file that's an active police investigation.
Nope.
Okay, I hope you can see the logic between my logic and your logic, okay? So there's no reason for you to be here, but you were other than you were given information.
Other to check on, to make sure
But
that
who
you're
sent you
check on
here?
your well-being. I don't have that information in front of me.
So can you go back to your truck and find that for me?
Yeah. Do you have, if I can write down your cell number, I think there's a number on...
No, sir. We're recording this whole thing live streaming right now.
I can just text you.
Sir, with all due respect, okay, and I'm being respectful. If you don't know who sent you here, and you're not sure of who sent you here, but what did they tell you, regardless of who sent you, what would be the reasoning is for you to be here?
To check on your mental well.
Okay, and what would they think, or what was the information you were given to check on my mental health?
I don't know specifics.
You don't know the specifics.
No.
So you don't know what you're looking for. You don't remember who sent you, and you don't know what the specific reason for you and this lovely lady to be here.
Interesting drive to get here. You confirmed who you are.
Excuse me, no, sir. It doesn't work like this, okay? It doesn't work like this. There's laws in this country, and I haven't broken any of these laws, sir.
Perfect.
With all due respect. I was violated here, and you can go look at the police report, and you could see that I have had to hire a lawyer because, unfortunately, law enforcement... Sorry, this is a cigarette. My hands are on the fence, just so you guys don't... I'm just trying to be as respectful as possible. Can I light this, by the way?
Sure.
Sorry, my light is right here. Okay?
This is your area.
This is my property,
Yeah,
my own private property. Well, no, but you invited yourself here, and I have visual signage that says no trespassing.
That is correct.
Right? So what would give you the authority to violate my rights?
I wanted to check on your mental health and well-being.
Okay. But that doesn't give you the reasoning to violate my rights. Okay. Unless there was a medical emergency.
If you wish...
Sir, I would like to understand. It's not what I wish, because my wishes are being violated regardless of the rights as me as a Canadian citizen living in Canada with paperwork. This is on a string, by the way. I'm just going to light this, okay? And so when you keep on deflecting by saying... When you keep on deflecting respect... And I'm being respectful as possible. And if I was going through a mental phase, I wouldn't be disrespectful. You think? I mean, you would try to, but there'd be holes in the gaps, right? There's no holes in my story. There's no holes in my evidence. There's nothing that I've said that isn't true. But what it is true is that you and this lady violated my rights, my charter rights in Canada. There's visible signage here. You don't remember who sent you. You don't remember why they sent you. You don't know the reasoning as to why they sent you. But you remember enough that you needed to check on me, but you don't know what you're looking into or what you're searching for.
Exactly.
Okay, how is that possible, sir?
We had concerns. Just wanted to make sure that your mental health is okay.
Okay, I can respect.
Do you have any concerns with your mental health?
No, actually, no, I don't. Actually, I'm doing really well.
Sweet.
We have lambing season coming up. I have baby lambs coming.
Nice.
Been waiting all winter for them, trying to keep them warm and dry. I got my animals. Property's clean. There's no garbage here. I came outside unarmed. Why would I need to be armed? I don't need to be armed. This is Canada. I don't have anything I shouldn't have on my property. The only thing that shouldn't be here on my property are you and you. And I'm respectably very
I
disappointed.
respect.
Excuse me.
And based on that, I will leave now.
No, but respectfully, and I say this respectfully, my grandfather was a police officer. You know why he quit in Israel? Because the mafia was telling the Israeli policemen, if you don't do what we say, we're gonna, that in Israel, okay? So don't take this as any way directed at you and you. I'm not. I'm just saying, in my family's heritage, my grandfather was a police officer, and he quit. He retired. The same day, the mafia said to him, if you don't close your eyes and let this truck go through the border, then your whole family will never open their own eyes. That day, sir, legitimately, he took off his badge, put it on the ground, took off his belt, put it on the ground, and didn't even report to dispatch. Said, I'm done. I quit. I'm done. He's not a corrupt cop. Not saying you are or aren't, but the concern here is, respectfully, A, I'm not having any mental crisis.
Perfect.
I have a lawyer that's been advising me that there's something going on that I've been addressing, which seems to be not being addressed. I've left multiple messages for Officer Cox to call me. My information, the information that I've had has not been allowed.